Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 9, and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts that are located on a SIM card to your device. So to get started, you will need to open up your contacts application. Make sure you open up the standalone version of it, so this one right over here. Tap on the three dots and then navigate to Settings. And here you'll locate the Import/Export option, which will then ask you also where you want to import the contacts from. So import from SIM1. Now if you place the SIM card on the bottom side of the tray, then it might say SIM2 instead. It doesn't really matter. And if you occupy both of them, obviously it will say 1 and 2. So you'll have two different additional options. Now we also have import from storage and export from storage, but we're interested only in the first option, import from SIM. Now it then adds an option where you can import those contacts to. As you can see, I am logged into two different Google accounts, so it shows both of them. If you have some Google accounts, they should show up here, and possibly any other accounts. If there's like ASUS account, it might show up here as well. But I will be importing it to phone anyway, so device at the bottom. That's what I will be selecting. Obviously, if you want, you can select your Google account or any other account that is visible right there, and it will also work. Now from here, this will show you all the contacts that are on your SIM card, and you can quickly select all of them by just pressing right over here. If you don't want all of them, but for instance most of them, easy way would be just to select all and then deselect contacts that you don't want. And from there, click on the check mark. This will give you a message, import successful, and you should be able to see your contacts right now in the contacts list. And there they are, along with every contact that is located on the actual Google account. So they're somewhere between here. But anyway, this is how you import your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.